Hi everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly's Bead Boutique. So today I'm going to make another pair of earrings in our quick and easy earring series. I'm going to show you how simple it is to make a beautiful pair of earrings in hardly any time at all. Come and join me. Okay, so today we're going to use a few different parts to make these cute little earrings. We've got a couple of tiara cast charms, we've got some of their ear wires, a couple little small jump rings, and we've got a couple closed jump rings, two of these beautiful mother of pearl beads, love those ones, and four little antique brass bead caps, and some gorgeous Russian amazonite, and then two 3-inch head pins. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of my jump rings, and I always like to use my chain nose pliers on one side and my bent chain nose on the other, and I'm going to place it through my little charm, and then I'm going to place that through one of my closed jump rings and just do that up nice and tight. And then I'm going to repeat that. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my beads and I'm going to place that on there. And then I'm going to take my little charm that I've just created and I'm going to run it through the closed jump ring. Now I'm going to place on one of my bead caps, one of my amazonites, and another bead cap. And you'll see when I push it down here, it sort of locks that in there, and that's going to create just a little bit of an embellishment on the front of that bead. So now I'm going to bend away, and I'm just going to do a messy wrap today. So I'm going to go in here and go up and over and down, rotate my pliers, bring that through to the back. And I just like to make sure it's all sort of squared up where I want it. And now I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, and I always use my bent chain nose to wrap because it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to go down a couple and then come up and whoops, and then finish in the back. And I'm always going to use the flush side of my cutters to just trim that off. And if there's a little burr there, I'm just going to push that under. Don't want that poking into you. And straighten anything out that might have got moved around. And pop on my ear wire. And there we go. So now you can see that that is a really beautiful earring that's got a little bit of an embellishment on the front. Okay, so I'll repeat that one more time. So I'm going to straighten out my head pin. I'm going to put my mother of pearl on. And then I'm going to place my jump ring on there, one of my bead caps, my Russian amazonite, another bead cap. And you want to make sure when you push this down that you seat that inside that jump ring. And then bend away. I want to try and do it on the same spot. So up and over and down, rotate my pliers. And then I'm going to wrap that up. And then just tuck that little end down. And then add my ear wire. So there you go. There's another pair of earrings in our quick and easy earring series. Make sure that if you enjoyed this video that you give me a like, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And thanks so much for watching.